Hi guys, I'm Shudo and I'll be taking you through a tutorial video on how to use Google Classroom and its various features. So these are the courses or the papers that I've opted for in this semester, like Gandhi and Contemporary World, Assisted Data Analysis, etc. So these are the classrooms which help me attend Google Meet meetings or get any exclusive information about the reading list or any PDFs that I'm supposed to do, or about any classwork or homework that a teacher has assigned us. So let's check it for Gandhi and Contemporary World. So these are the meeting codes for every week, which are different for every week. So if I want to attend a Google Meet class from here, I can attend it like that. And if I want to read about, let's say, Gandhi, a very short production by Bhikkhu Parekh, I enter this and I can get the PDF about this, and I can start reading the material and And one very good thing about Google Classroom is that the app Google Classroom is connected with, it syncs with many other apps like Google Drive, PDF Viewer, or Google Calendar, etc., which helps you keep a tab on what steps you have to do and when you have to attend class, because many of the times we forget, right? And if your teacher has assigned any classwork, you check it like this. My teacher isn't assigning classwork yet. And the teachers, so these are the teachers that have allotted me all these classes. So this is it. Okay, so if I want to unenroll from this class, I can unenroll like this. Or if I want to report abuse against for attending this because they posted obscene material in the classroom, I can report abuse from here. And if I want to check out like calendar to get a schedule of the entire day, so for date 16th I have these 3 classes, and for date 17 I have just 2 classes. For class day 18 I have 3 classes again. So this is how you navigate to the classes and the work that you have to do. So Google Calendar is a very good idea, and this is a to-do option where this is the list of all the assignments that you've not done, and again these to-do assignments are divided in 2 parts: missing and no due date. No due date is there is no sort of a deadline on when you have to do it, right? So you can add your class command or anything. And these are the assignments that I've failed to submit on time. These are the stuff that I've done are the instructions for the project proposal, attendance. So these are all the class assignments that I've done, thankfully. And to-do option, archive classes, classroom folders. So these are archive classes, but since this is my first time using Google Classroom, I have no archive classes. And this is the classroom folders, which is a comprehensive list of all the classes that you're attending right now. And under this, when you click on it, you can find all the reading lists and all the reading materials that you need to do in your course. And these are the settings where you can choose to get device notifications, or suppose like if you want to get any comments on your post or due date reminders for your work. So and so you can also choose how to get it or how not to get it. Like you can choose to get it through vibration or on a lock screen, etc. Or when you sync with mobile data, or whether you choose not to sync it, that's your choice. If you want to get any help, it provides a comprehensive list of all the important articles where you can get help on how to join a class as a student. Alright, so the thing about this support system is that it's different for Android, computer, phone, and iPad. So the instructions and the process that you follow are different for what device you're using: Android or iPhone or iPad, or just computer. Okay, so this is it. Okay, that's it. So thank you for watching.